760 fucking 2, let's fucking go. Alright, so in the key binding constants within this section for edict 1, editor controller 1, we have some key bindings. We have the letterbox toggle and going back and forth through our tile size exponents. We want to hijack these key bindings for editor controller 2. These are the constants for editor controller 2. And right down here in this section, Steele Richards Art Supplies, we're going to copy all of this over, right? It's the exact same names, except we've changed it from EC1 to EC2 for editor controller 2, and we have the letterbox toggle going backwards through the tile size, going forwards through the tile size. Okay, right down here, we're going to make sure that those keys are identical. Now remember, when I write this code, the key bindings are not for flexibility and remapping on your whim. It's for finding your fucking way around the code base. So we're going to make sure that all of these keys match. So the EC1 and EC2 of all of these new keys should match identically, otherwise we're gonna throw a fucking error. Okay, next section. So right here in the art tools section, we thought we were gonna do this, but we're gonna wait till the next video to work on this function. Next section, edict 2, the editor controller 2 function section. Within this section, we have the editor controller 2 key down handler, and we're using more robbery-based inheritance. So if we go down here, we have this new section called Steal His Art Supplies. We're coming back for the letterbox toggle because we need to mount the artwork we stole from Richard, and we also need these two keys for going backwards through the tile size exponent, these two keys for going forward. Now, why do we have this little array bullshit going on here? Well, it's because minus and dash are on the same key, and plus and equal are on the same key, so it's kind of a little weird kind of thing going on here. Okay, so if any of these keys are pressed, we're going to defer to the original controller, editor controller 1, and we're going to say the key was handled so that we don't do this editor 2 specific key handling code, or I should say edict 2, editor controller 2 specific code. Down here in init client front end, right here in the startup mode, we added tags to find it, and now we're going to emulate a press of the 8 key on the home row so that we enter the new Bombs for Josh shader on startup. Here's what we did previously, footnotes and stuff, what we did in this video. Like and subscribe, my name is Kanji Coder. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You are on the advanced playlist, source code is here, ways of getting a hold of me. Like and subscribe, I am out of here, I'm out of time.